Only a few days left as the clock ticks down to the final hour. If you've not done it yet, do it now. Register for the upcoming Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference, which will take place at the Jamaica Conference Center from July 23 to 26. Contact the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade for details. Among the highlights this year is the Marketplace Exposition, where transactions can be made and networking opportunities are provided. Discussions over the period will focus on partnership and investment opportunities for the diaspora in health services, agriculture, education, the creative industries, and security. Opportunities in the micro, small, and medium-sized business and social business enterprises will be explored. Come prepared to hear about Mediganja and the nutraceutical industry. Discussion topics will also highlight the transfer of technology, research, and models of international best practices from diaspora locations to Jamaica, and the challenges and opportunities in host countries of members of the diaspora. Don't miss this opportunity to further strengthen our partnership for mutual growth and development. It's the Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference from July 23 to 26 at the Jamaica Conference Center.